been waiting for this delivery for a few days now, and it has just arrived, and I'm super excited to unbox this and show you guys. Although this is not my first MacBook, the previous one that I owned was a MacBook Pro 2012, and I just bid goodbye to it, but I'm happy for this one. So before we move ahead with the unboxing part, can you guess how much I got this for? You guys won't believe it. I got this as a buyback, so I exchanged my older MacBook Pro 2012 to get the new MacBook 2020 Air, and I got a buyback of Rs.55000 from my older one, plus I got a 6,000 discount on an ICICI bank card. So this MacBook Pro is for 54,060 rupees only. So without further ado, let's unbox new MacBook. Starting with the packaging, it's a standard Amazon packaging, so no worries there. As you can see, I got a little bit confused there as to where to open this from, but we don't need no more cutters. As you can see, there's a strip at the back, so you just have to pull it out and we're done. So here it is, my very own MacBook Air 2020 M1 chip. I bought a base model that is 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. I see a pull tab here, maybe that will make it easy to tear this one up. Okay, now finally I'm able to get this one off. This is my 13-inch MacBook Air Apple M1 chip with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, Retina display with True Tone and with Touch ID. The price on a box retails to 92,900, but we all know how much I got this for. So enough of the box, let's open this, shall we? As we lift the box, the first thing that we'll see is the laptop itself. As you can see, this is my laptop dance. Please don't mind it. We'll put this aside for a moment now. Let's dig in, shall we? Inside is the Type-C USB cable. Of course, the instruction manuals with the Apple stickers that no one uses. Finally, the 30-watt power adapter. And that's it for the box. Getting back to the machine itself, I have purchased the space gray variant. There are also gold and silver variants available in the market. You can buy according to your choice. Opening my MacBook Air and waiting for that sound. This one boot up pretty fast. A big upgrade from MacBook Pro, I must say. The keyboard is a Backlit Magic keyboard with 12 function keys and 4 arrow keys, but I truly miss the keyboard brightness buttons that we used to get. So I'm going to set this one up finally.